वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर स्टार्टिंग द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ इंग्लिश बुक, चैप्टर 17। और ये जो चैप्टर है ये बिस्मिल्लाह खान के बारे में इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे। इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल बी स्टडिंग अबाउट बिस्मिल्लाह खान एंड ही वाज आल्सो नोन एज द शहनाई मास्ट्रो। शहनाई मास्ट्रो इनको कहा जाता था। और इसके हम चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करेंगे। Ustad Bismillah Khan was the undisputed jewel in the crown of Indian music. As you all know that this Bismillah Khan, he was a great musician and he was known as the crown of Indian music. He had great love for his country. बहुत अपनी country से बहुत प्यार करते थे ये. Unlike his peers, he did not go abroad for money and fame, because the other musicians, what they do, all the other companions of Ustad Bismillah Khan, they went to other countries for earning the huge amount of money. But Bismillah Khan stayed in India. Bismillah Khan इंडिया से बाहर नहीं गए और यहीं पर उन्होंने अपनी बर्थ प्लेस उन्होंने इंडिया को मानी. He did not even leave his favorite city Banaras, where the notes of Shehnai rambled across the Kashi Vishwanath and Sankat Mochan temples. और उन्होंने अपनी जो सिटी है, फेवरेट सिटी जिस जो बनारस में रहते थे, वो बनारस को भी उन्होंने नहीं छोड़ा, क्योंकि वहाँ पर शहनाई उन्होंने सीखा था बजाना. काशी विश्वनाथ टेम्पल और संकट मोचन मंदिर में. इंटरमिंगल विद द क्वाइट वाटर्स ऑफ गंगा. शहनाई वो फॉर द मास्ट्रो वाज अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. Had it not been for godly devotion to music, Shehnai would have remained confined to ceremonies like marriages and cultural events. अगर हम देखें तो शहनाई को डिवोशन के लिए भी यूज़ किया जाता है. शहनाई इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर डिवोशन टू गॉड, बट इन अदर वे वी कैन से दैट इट इज़ ऑलरेडी बीन यूज्ड इन मैरिजेस एंड अदर सेरेमनीज. अलग सेरेमनीज में इसको यूज़ किया जाता है. बॉर्न, अब यहाँ पे बिस्मिल्लाह खान के बारे में थोड़ी सी उनकी लाइफ अपीयरेंस के बारे में बताया है. He was born in a poor family in Bihar on March 21, 1916. इनका ये जन्म हुआ था बिहार में. उस्ताद was the aware of his humble origins. और बिस्मिल्लाह को सब उनके जो जितने भी फैमिली के कल्चर्स थे उसके बारे में सब चीज़ मालूम थी. This reflected in his behavior and conduct towards others. For Bismillah Khan, the connection with music began at a very early age. That means since from childhood, Bismillah Khan was giving proper concentration to the music at a very early age, हम कह सकते हैं. His ancestors were court musicians in Dumran, Bihar. और उनकी जो ancestors हुआ करते थे, जो उनके पुरखे हुआ करते थे, ये म्यूजिशियंस हुआ करते थे कोर्ट में, जो कि बिहार में है. एंड ही वाज ट्रेन्ड अंडर हिज अंकल हु वाज शहनाई प्लेयर एट काशी विश्वनाथ टेम्पल. एंड दिस बिस्मिल्लाह खान ही वाज ट्रेन्ड बाय, हम कह सकते हैं शहनाई प्लेयर जो थे, इनके जो अंकल थे उनने इनको ट्रेंड किया था. एंड हिज अंकल वाज अ शहनाई प्लेयर इन द काशी विश्वनाथ टेम्पल. His first award came at the age of 14 as the best performer of All India Music Conference in Allahabad in 1930. That means Bismillah Khan earned his first award at the age of 14 in the All India Music Conference in Allahabad in 1916. 1930 में ये दिया था उनको award. On the first Independence Day, on the 15th August 1947, he played the Shehnai for Free India from the ramparts of Red Fort. For the invitation of then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, awards and recognitions came thick and fast. That means on the first Independence Day, 15th of August 1947, ये जो शहनाई उन्होंने बजाई थी पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के इनविटेशन के द्वारा उन्होंने शहनाई बजाई थी फ्री इंडिया के लिए. और तभी से बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स और रिकॉग्निशन और पहचान उनको बिस्मिल्लाह खान को मिलने लगी थी. व्हाट मार्क बिस्मिल्लाह खान फ्रॉम हिज फेमस कंटेम्पररीज वाज हिज सिंप्लिसिटी. सिंप्लिसिटी के लिए भी जाने जाते थे ये. एंड इज दिस ग्रेट फॉर द रिचेस दैट केम विद द फेम इन द फील्ड ऑफ म्यूजिक. टिल द वेरी एंड ही यूज्ड अ साइकिल रिक्शा टू ट्रैवल अराउंड बनारस. दैट मीन्स इन द वेरी अर्ली एज व्हाट ही वाज डूइंग, ही वाज यूजिंग रिक्शा, cycle rickshaw to travel around Banaras. That means for traveling Banaras, he was using cycle rickshaw. Bismillah Khan won't be just remembered for elevating the Shehnai from an instrument heard only in weddings and other things to be appreciated in concert halls across the world. His life was a testimony to a purity that is in India. India में शहनाई का बहुत ज़्यादा वर्चस्व था पहले के समय. खासकर बिस्मिल्लाह खान ने इसको और ज़्यादा ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट इसकी की. Practicing Muslims in his younger days, he would take a daily dip in the Ganga after wrestling both in Benga Akhada. Every morning, Bismillah Khan would do riyaz at the Balaji temple on the banks of river. Now, what Bismillah Khan was doing? Bismillah Khan was practicing at the banks of river, and at the banks of river, what he was doing? He was doing riyaz. He was practicing in the morning time. He personified real secularism. He was practicing he was a practicing Muslim who offered namaz 5 times a day. That means this Bismillah Khan, he was a Muslim by religion and he also offered 5 times namaz per times a day. हम कह सकते हैं 5 बार वो एक दिन में नमाज भी पढ़ते थे. Yet he had immense faith in Baba Vishwanath, but in Vishwanath also, Baba Vishwanath and other religious gods also, he was having much devotion also. A devotee of Nath Brahma and opponent of Ganga Jamuni Teza, he was shining symbol of Indian secularism. तो मतलब यही नहीं कि सिर्फ वो मुस्लिम जो उनके भगवान हुआ करते थे सिर्फ उन्हीं की वो पूजा करते थे, बट दूसरे जो रिलीजियस गॉड थे उनको भी वो काफ़ी मानते थे. Shehnai Maestro Ustad was so liberal and great in his activities and defied description. Throughout his life, he abided by the principle that all the religions are one. Now what he was doing, he was just following one kind of principle that all the religions are one. They were all united, all the religions. He was a devotee of Saraswati. सरस्वती का भी बहुत ज़्यादा वो डिवोट करते थे और बहुत ज़्यादा डिवोशन उनका रहता था. He would lead the Muharram procession as well as the Ganga Puja in the Banaras. That means both the festivals he was celebrating. First was we can say that the Muharram procession and the other was the Ganga Puja in the Banaras. Playing the Shehnai while walking, and what he was doing while he was walking, he was playing Shehnai across with them. He did not go abroad in search in the greener pastures. और जैसे कि मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया था, अब्रॉड नहीं गए वो पैसा कमाने के लिए, अपने इंडिया में मौजूद रहे वो. Ustad were pleased to know about the government had decided to host a program at the India Gate to pay tribute to the unsung heroes of the World War first. Then now what happened? One day Ustad was very pleased. Ustad was very curious to know that the Indian government had made one program to what we can say to pay tribute to the unsung heroes of World War II and world peace and communal harmony. The program was however cancelled, first because of his ill health and then because of his security threat. Now what happened after some time, due to the illness of Ustad Bismillah Khan, the program was cancelled, and even for his security reasons also the program was cancelled. A modest man of few wants, he preferred a man's Spartan life. In 2001, Bismillah Khan became only the third classical musician to be awarded India's highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna. That means in 2001, in the year 2001, he was awarded as the Bharat Ratna award by the Indian government. This Indian legend has Shehnai Maestro died of cardiac arrest on Monday, 21st August 2006, when he was 90. That means at the age of 90, when he was having a cardiac arrest, on Monday 21st August 2006, he was died due to severe illness. With his death, an era has come to an end. Now we can say that an era of Shehnai Maestro was come to an end after his death. So आपने देखा किस तरह से चैप्टर पूरा बिस्मिल्लाह खान के बारे में है. All these things that was explained in this chapter was according about Bismillah Khan, और शेनाई के बारे में सब चीज़ों के बारे में है. तो इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर आप जल्दी जल्दी लिखें. 2 चैप्टर और बचे हुए हैं, जल्दी जल्दी हम कंप्लीट करेंगे और सिलेबस आपको जल्दी जल्दी ग्रुप में भेजेंगे. वही सिलेबस आपका एनुअल एग्जाम में आएगा. टिल देन कीप वॉचिंग.